Welcome to Mora FC. It is what it is. Just look how this beautiful pairs or porch look like. So beautiful. Can't you see? So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, comment, click on notification bell so anytime I post a new video, you'll be updated. Yep, just look how beautiful. I'm gonna go details, real details. Simple steps to take for you to do this amazing triangular purse. So easy steps to do. Just look how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful it has turned out to be. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Share it. There are other people out there want to learn how to sew, but I don't know which channel to turn into. So you can do them a favor by sharing up to them, so that they will benefit. You can put whatever you want to put inside your phone or whatever that you want to put inside, you can put it inside. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. Look how beautiful it has turned out to be. So let's get started. Get your main fabric. This is the main fabric. You're gonna cut this one into two like this, 7 inches by 8 inches. You can start to reduce the size or maintain the size. You gotta put facing on it, put the fuse on it, and this is the lining, which have the same sizes. So we need a piece like this, like 4. Yeah, this is a zip 6 inches. This is the handle. You can decide to make the handle longer than this one or shorter than this one. It's up to you. Then we're gonna sew on top like that. So we're gonna use this to click to hold the zipper. So we're gonna sew on top like that. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. After sewing on top like that, don't use your hand, cutting the thread. You gotta do the same thing to the other part. You can see. So we have to make a notch in the middle because the length is longer than the zipper. So we just have to want to fix it very well. So we're gonna take our zipper. We put the right side of the zipper and the right side of the fabric together like this. And check in the middle. For you, it's advisable for you to sew on top like this one first. You first sew on top. Yeah, it's advisable for you to sew on top before putting the lining on it like this and sew them together. But I'm gonna sew it together. If you think that you can do it this way, it is up to you. If you can't do it advisable, I'm advising you to sew it one after the other before putting your lining on it. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. So what are you waiting for? Click on the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. So when you get to a place where the head of the zipper is disturbed, you just have to pull it back. Then you sew it. You continue sewing it. So you're gonna be like something like this. We're gonna do the other part as well. But first we have to put our handle on it. Like I said, the handle you can make it longer as you want. But when you're attaching the handle, don't top stitch it with the lining. Yeah, I shifted the lining a little bit. Don't top stitch with the lining. Just like that. Then we're gonna sew on top. So to come out like this, you see how beautiful. can see. So I'm going to top stitch it at the zip side. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. So this is how it will come out to be. This is how it turned out to be. So you just have to do it like that and put the lining together and put the fabric together like this. And you're going to sew from the top to the bottom, from the bottom to the top from the bottom, from the bottom to the top. Take your time, man. Take your time. Take your time. Don't rush. If you get it wrong, do it again. Even the professionals do something, they sew something, we get it wrong. We correct our mistake while sewing. You know, that's it. So if you do something and get it wrong, does that mean that you should throw that one away and just give up? No, you gotta try it again. And you get it wrong, try it again. Never stop till you get it right, but you always gotta check your mistakes. Don't repeat the same mistakes over and over and over and over and over and over again. So voila, after joining the facing of the main fabric, the fabric together and the lining together like that, we gotta open it like this. And we're gonna sew straight. But don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment, click on the notification bell. Anytime I post a new video, you'll be updated. So after sewing straight, then we're gonna do the same thing to the lining, but the lining, there's a simple difference. There's a little different. Sew from this part and sew from this part. We're gonna sew 1 each on both sides, and we're gonna leave a space in the middle. I say don't use your hand to cut the thread. Use your scissor. So I've sewn 1 each at that part. I'm gonna sew 1 each at this part again. So you can see, we leave a space inside. So this, we are going for the second steps. I mean, maybe the third step or for the fourth steps. Yeah. So you're gonna fold it like this. Yeah, let me do it again. Are you watching? So let's go. You fold it like this. You hold it there and you hold it there. Then you top stitch. Just 1 inch, like how we did the lining. Hold it there like that. Don't sew throughout, you gotta leave a space. This part I can jump some steps and go straight away, hold it up and go straight up, but hey, I'm just making it step by step for you to get the idea, the ideological of it. So we're gonna hold the lining and the main fabric. We're gonna pull half. You can see how I've pulled it down, so I'm gonna join it together. Just have to pull one lining out the way, and you're gonna join one lining to the main fabric. So as you can see, so we're still leaving a hole at that place, but make sure that your zip is open. My zip was closed, so it took me some while to pull it back and flip everything over. It's Mora FC. I don't know what you're waiting for. If you have not subscribed, hey, my new subscribers, subscribe. And thank everybody who have been subscribing. Thank everybody who have been watching it. It is what it is. I'm trying to cut the edges so that I'll get a sharp edge. Be careful, don't use your strength to pull it out, otherwise you'll destroy the fabric will get turned. So you're going to fold it like this. You can decide to sew on top with your machine, you can decide to use your hand to sew at that part. You want to sew with your part, you just need your needles and your thread. Then you just have to hold it like this. So voila, and join it. Or you just have to put it on the machine and just sew on top. Here you go. Sewing on top, the machine goes faster than using your hand like this. Trying to do some little bit of example here, just to hold it down and be joining them together. If you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe, like, and share. Click on notification bell so that you will never miss any of my videos, any of my tutorial. It's Mora FC, as you can see. So you continue doing the rest. So after finishing it, you just have to flip everything over. Hey, you have done the work. Congratulations. You have done. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribers. Hey, my subscribers. Thank you for all. Thank you for subscribing it. So hey, this is it. We finished. Me out.